In this video, we'll show you how to use the Close Tab block. It's mainly used to delay closing tabs, or to clean up tabs that weren't closed automatically. Let's start by using the New Tab block to open two tabs. Then, we'll turn off the auto close option. With that setting, the tabs will remain open after the recipe finishes running. You'll need to close them manually. So, is there a way to clean them up automatically? The answer is, just drag the Close Tab block into the canvas. Here, you can choose to close the current tab, all tabs, or only specific ones. For example, let's close the Bing tab after a 3-second delay. Alright, let's run it and see what happens. Great! It worked as expected. One last thing to note. This block can only close tabs opened using the New Tab block. It can't close tabs that you opened manually or outside of the recipe. That's how the Close Tab block works. It's not used very often, but when you are working with multiple tabs, it helps you clean up any leftover pages. This keeps your browser tidy and avoids too many open tabs, saving memory and making your automation more stable. Thanks for watching. See you next time.